What's up guys, this is Mr. Tinski. Tinski is not at home today, so I have to make dinner for myself. What are we gonna make today? Stay tuned and watch. Let's get into it. Today we are going to make a SMOS sandwich. This is probably one of the most popular lunch items here in Belgium, because we Belgians, we love bread. Why is it called SMOS? SMOS means to make a mess in Dutch, and when you will eat this sandwich, you will for sure make a mess, because it's overloaded with goodness. So what do we need? A French baguette. I like to eat the brown one, because I think it's tastier. Cheese. Ham. Mayo, salad, tomatoes, boiled eggs, and that's it. We start by cutting your baguette in half. Overload it with mayo. The more mayo, the better. Place your cheese. Place your ham. Put your salad, then the tomatoes, and as last your eggs. And that's it. Now you are ready to enjoy one of Belgium's most popular lunches and make a mess while eating. Man, I hope Tinski comes back soon, because I can't eat SMOS sandwiches forever. Anyway, if you liked me making lunch for you, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me or Tinski.